In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a detailed view. In this example, I am using the Higher Graphic Communication 2023 assignment, and I have been asked to create a detailed view of how the pin from the salt and pepper bottom fits into the whole of the salt and pepper top. Now, it's important that when we are creating a detailed view that we make sure that the view is of a larger scale than what we currently have on our drawing, because it has to be an enlarged detailed view. So if you forget what your drawing is in terms of scale, you can just double click your elevation, and I can see here that my scale is 1:2. So I need to make sure that my detailed view is larger than 1:2. To create a detailed view, we're going to go along to Detail. We're going to select the view that we want to create a detail from. So in this case, I'm going to create a detailed view of my elevation. I am then going to make sure, one, that my scale is larger than 1:2. So for example, I might do 2:1. You can have a rectangular view or a circular view. In this case, I'm just going to stick to circular. And you can also make the cut edges jagged or smooth, and this just depends on personal preference. I'm just going to stick with the default. I'm going to zoom into the part that I want to do a detailed view on, and I'm just going to click, and you can see that it's now allowing me to draw a circle. So I'm going to kind of zone in on the bit that I want to show. And then you'll see that it's gave me a detailed view, and I am just going to move that off to the side, like so. And it's important that where it says JI 2:1, I change that to Enlarged View JI. You can also write Detailed View JI. You just need to make sure that you change it. Detailed views are great for showing parts of your drawing that you might not be able to see otherwise without changing the scale of the full drawing. So you can use them and just place them off to the side, and the letter will be showing you which part each of the detailed views are from. And again, you can do this with different views by just following the same rules. Clicking detailed, drawing the circle around it, and then changing the view, like so. Once that's done, you would just fill out and annotate your drawing as normal, making sure that you're doing your title block, and then you can save it ready to print.